This question states, find the area of the shaded region in the figure below. If the diameter of the circle is 8 and the height of the rectangle is 10, and use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest hundredth. So the very first thing we're going to do is find the area of the rectangular region, and it might be helpful to just do a quick uh, shading of the rectangular region, which is this area. So then, that said, it should be fairly obvious that the area of the rectangle is length times width. We usually call the longer side the length. So this is 80. It's 80 square units. They don't tell us what those units are. So what we need to remove from that area is that semicircle that is indicated by the blue diagonals and the white area. So the next thing to do is figure out what the area of that semicircle is, which is going to be half the area of the circle. So the area of the circular region is going to be given by pi r squared. Now they told us to use 3.14 as pi. The radius is half of 8. So that's 4. So it's 3.14 times 16. And we could use a calculator, but I think it's easy enough to use long division. So I'm going to do it this way. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Then I've got 3, 1, 4. It's 4, 12, 10, and we move the decimal over twice. So I'm getting 50.24, but of course that's the area of the entire circle. So in another step, go ahead and do that here. We'll take the area of the circle and divide it by 2. So that's 50.24 divided by 2. That's 25.12. So finally, I have some space on my left. I have to take the area of the rectangle, which is 80, and subtract the semicircle from it. So I'm going to add some placeholders there. And we'll use our standard algorithm. And so I'm getting 54.88 square units. I don't think you need to put anything in for the units. It's the 54.88.